Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. Today we have on offer this 1966 Austin Healey 3000 Mark III BJ-8 sports convertible. Originally, this car was finished in Healey Ice Blue, or this light blue metallic, which is sort of signature for Healey. You can see the original paint there. And this was probably a 4-speed wire-wheeled car, overdrive, delivered on the West Coast. We purchased this car recently out of the desert, and it was kind of on its last leg. We had to just rescue it and save it here. But we believe it's a pretty good candidate for a restoration. These are really valuable cars. This car does need a lot of work, but it's definitely a candidate to be saved. So let me take you around the body on this car. This car, it's a little bit, they tried to flare the front fenders a little bit, but decently solid. They flared the rear fenders on them, so it would probably need a set of rear fenders. We don't have a trunk lid for the car, so that can be purchased. But the back of the car looks pretty good. Never been hit. All pretty nice around here with the original shroud fitted. The other side has a flared fender, quite dramatic. You know, just generally needs a full restoration, to say the least. So this is a pretty aggressive project, but you know, your end result is a gold mine. This is a $100,000 car that when it's perfect. So, but yeah, decently fitting grille. Hood fits pretty nicely. It comes with the chrome here. The dash is missing. Somebody has made some custom homemade floors for the car. So, you know, this is a candidate to be completely stripped down and definitely rebuilt. You can see some rust starting in the quarters there. Top frame's present, which is in really good shape. It folds down nicely, so we know it's nice and straight. The gas tank is in here. Now over here, these are all the parts that came with the car. So we've got an engine, a gearbox, a head, another set of fenders, bumpers, generator, starter, distributor, exhaust manifolds. There's no intake or carbs. Radiators there. There's some seat components. I think there's one extra seat back. There's some sheet metal that was being purchased. Spare wheel. This is parts for the engine here. You can see. So there's some engine mounts. So quite a lot of mechanical bits that came with the car to get this thing up and going again. But yeah, take a look at the undercarriage photos. It's going to need outriggers. It's going to need floors. The main frame looks excellent though, being a California desert car. It was attempted as a V8 conversion at one point, but you know, at the end of the day, it's worth all the repairs, because at the end of the day, you're going to have a beautifully restored ice blue 66 Austin Healey 3000 BJ-8 sports convertible. But you do have the car here. That's the main important thing. You've got the car, you've got the chassis, you've got all these components to start working with and building with. And this car is modestly priced. It's probably, you know, it's probably the most reasonable priced BJ-8 on the market. Definitely a phase 2 double light car, finished originally in ice blue. But yeah, you can see it's had new floors. It does have all the door guts, which is great. Dashboards and things like that can be purchased new. The rear seats are here. Yeah, you can see the rear seat bottoms are there. There's a pair. So yeah, car definitely in the market for metal work. And nice thing is it's got all the correct factory brakes, wire wheels. It's got the original rear axle. So a lot here to work with. And you can kind of peck away and find the missing bits and pieces, which isn't too much, but there it is. Good project, major project. Austin Healey 3000 Mark III, 1966, originally ice blue with navy blue interior. with a 4-speed overdrive transmission, wire wheels, and it's for sale right now on our website. We have a clear title for export, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.